What's up, guys? This is Big D, and I am the Grim Rider. It's about 8:30 in the morning on a Friday. I got the bike out, and you see it's got the tour pack on there, so you know what that means, right? It's road trip time. We are planning to go up to Baldwin for the annual Blessing of the Bikes in Baldwin event. This will be the first time that I've been able to go to this event in the last 4 years. Last time was 2019. Part of that due to, the pandemic was running rampant. I think there was even 1 year, maybe even 2, that they just canceled the event altogether. So some of it I just wasn't able to make it, and others they simply didn't happen there a couple of years. But we're going to change that this weekend. We're going to head up there and check that out. I'm going to take off from here in just a couple of minutes. I'm going to meet up with one of my riding club brothers, and we're going to ride up together, and we're going to be followed by a couple more a little bit later on. Some of them, they couldn't leave this early in the morning. So they're going to start heading up a couple hours from now. Weather-wise, it's pretty clear right now. A little chilly right now in the morning. I think it's only about 50 degrees right now. Start getting on the road, it's going to be even chillier than that, but it should warm up throughout the day, and looking throughout the rest of the weekend, looks like it should be pretty decent for the most part. So I'm pretty excited about this. I'm really looking forward to it. I need this trip. I need to be able to just pack the stuff up, get on the bike, and just get away. You know what I'm saying? It's therapy right here. So I'm going to stop yammering. I'm going to get suited up. I'm going to get on the bike, and we're going to head out. So stick around and join me for this 3-day adventure, the Blessing of the Bikes in Baldwin. Well, guys, a couple hours in, we've made our way to Ionia. Found ourselves a Culver's. You know, frozen custard. That's where it's at. A couple hours in, we've got about 140 miles up to this point. So making some good time. Yeah, it's no complaints up to this point. Our sun kind of went away, but there was a little bit of a front coming through at some point today, like across the state. So, but I think we're going to be able to stay dry. I think it's just going to be covered in clouds, and hopefully the closer we get up to Big Rapids, the sun will come back out. So we're going to chow down here quick, and then after that, we're going to get back out on the road. So stay tuned. More to come. Well, guys, we've made it up to the hotel. We are in Big Rapids. Checked in. Kind of got moved in here. I mean, it's your basic room. I mean, it's all right. It's not bad. This is kind of what we're working with here. You know, hi. But we stayed here several years for this event over the years, and it works out. It works out quite well. The town of Big Rapids, it's not huge, but it's not small either. So what's nice about staying here is I think it's probably about a half hour or so away, maybe, from Baldwin, actually, for the event, but actually trying to get anything closer, you might as well not even try. There was even one year where we called up someplace that was closer, and they're like, yeah, no, we're booked for that weekend for like the next 10 years. It's like, that's not going to happen. So This is a Super 8, and so this Super 8 in Big Rapids, they've always got vacancy, and there's a pool downstairs, and there's a Applebee's like kitty corner from this parking lot. There's a Bob Evans there. Right across the parking lot here, and I like this. We can see the bikes from here. Say, hey Rob, what up? So it just works out pretty good right here. You know, it's not too far away from Baldwin and the event, but it's just far enough away where it's like every time we come up, it's like we know we can stay here. And it looks like they've actually done a little bit of renovation stuff since I've been here last. But last time I've been here, that was 2019. And I don't even recall if it was here that I stayed. I'd actually have to look back into that. But usually, this is where we stay. It works out. It works out all right. Got a TV and refrigerator, microwave and stuff over there. It's spacious. It's it's kind of roomy. And, do everything I need. So, but we made it. We got caught in some rain because, of course, we did. It wouldn't be a motorcycle trip for me and for our group without hitting some rain. It happens every time without fail. Luckily, we didn't get drenched. It was just a little light shower, and we basically rode right out of it. So it worked out all right. So Rob and I are here. We're waiting for the rest of the crew to get up here. They left a little bit later than we did. I think I mentioned that at the beginning of this video. I don't remember now. But they're on their way, and I'm not sure what the plan is after they all get here. So I'm going to sign off here because this might be the end of day one of this trip. If there is more, then I will do an update for sure, and then you'll see whatever we do to round out this day. But if not, then this has been day one of the Blessing of the Bikes in Baldwin trip. You get about a little over 200 miles today, so it's not too shabby. It was nice. It was a nice ride. And again, if this is all that there is for day one, then we'll pick this back up for part two. And we will be heading to Baldwin in the morning. In years past, we used to go like right up to Baldwin. We'd hang out there for a little while, and then maybe go and ride a little bit somewhere, whether it's to Ludington or just in the surrounding area a little bit, and then we'll come back. And by the time we get back, the roads are closed off, and everything's in full swing. I'm not sure if that's the plan or not yet. I'm not really sure. I'm sure I'll discuss it with everybody else once they get here. But obviously Baldwin is the plan for tomorrow. So that's it for me for right now. If you like this video, then hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell if you haven't done it already to become part of the Grim crew so that you don't miss out on any rides, adventures, road stories, or whatever it is that I decide to do. So until the next one, I am Big D. I am the Grim Rider. And until then, we'll catch you down the road.